It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna try to smoke a pork roast today. I had a fellow YouTuber stop by to visit yesterday, a guy named Carl. We took my new magnet and went out by the garden where I had lost some nails. So we took the nail out there. It didn't take me but just a few minutes to find the nail. And I was demonstrating the power of that magnet and made the mistake of sticking it on a piece of metal out there. A good solid piece of metal. And I went through 10 minutes of beating and hammering to get the darn thing loose again. I really think I made a mistake buying a magnet that powerful. It's fine and dandy for picking up some little small magnetic item. But if you stick to something big down there, you might not get your magnet back. When it locks onto something, it's stuck. You're going to need one powerful rope. I'll show you a little short clip at this point of me beating that magnet off of that. I got my magnet here, my friends. We're going to walk out here to the back. Carl came to visit today, a fellow YouTuber. Yeah. And we're going to see if my magnet will pick up the nails I dropped out here the other day. I never did rig up my rope on it.
All around everything, just leave it.
I'll get it eventually tore down.
Big one now.
This is where I was dropping some nails. Oh, I don't want to stick to that chain.
Oh no, you don't want to stick to that.
Somewhere around here I lost a nail.
You have like a heavy piece of twine you can tie to it and you can do it.
Oh,
you got it.
I just found it. Don't get hurt on it.
Oh yeah, that is strong.
Yeah.
That's the strong one.
See what I can show you, give you a demonstration here.
Watch that piece of metal, that's going to be clean.
Now see if you can pull that off, but don't get hurt on it. You see how strong that sucker is?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
That is.
That's a magnet, ain't it?
Yes. Hold on to the metal. Maybe we can pull it like this.
Yeah, let me try something. Let go of it a minute. I'm gonna beat it off. Now pull it off sideways. Slide it up.
Oh yeah.
Oh hell.
Set it down.
All right, I'll beat it.
This thing is turning. The little hook is turning.
Well, I'll be damned. What have I done? You know, it just occurred to me, I shouldn't have bought one so strong. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see.
I think we're going to bend that tube doing that.
I don't care about the tube.
Not gonna work.
All right, let me have it.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hurt. Good gosh almighty.
Oh, Walter broke his toy.
Damn.
I guess you're gonna have to connect.
So if I go fishing with it and pick up some metal, I guess I got a permanent piece of metal. I can stick to a car or something, you're going to lose your magnet.
Well,
I'll get a hammer and beat the darn thing off.
you can always hook a chain on that loop, tie it on something strong, and then yank it off of your truck. I don't know how else you're gonna get that off. You're gonna get that stuck to it too.
Do me a favor and hold the eye bolt and just keep a strain on it. That's unbelievable. Wow.
You got my ear on that.
Huh?
My ears.
Sorry. That's all right, you can let it go. I hope I didn't hurt your hearing.
Yeah, because it was right there.
Oh. What the hell did I do there?
You got it.
You thought I was kidding about how strong that magnet is, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
What did you do with that nail?
Oh, I think I put it in my pocket. I hope.
I'll get my coal hot here. I'll get it started. Get the fire into the smoker and get it started. I'm going to cook a pork loin today. They're about yay long, yay big around. I don't think it'll take quite as long as it did a big pork roast I did last time. It's not as thick, but we're going to do a slow cook on it for, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours, whatever it takes to get it done. Sure is pleasant out here today. I think it might rain today, but I don't think that would affect my fire none. Let's see, while I'm getting that fire ready, I might as well walk over to the garage and get me another bag of charcoal. This one's about empty. We'll give that just another minute or two, and I'll dump it in there and get her going. Got a pretty good flame coming out of it. Alright, it's been a couple hours. I've been tending the fire while cutting grass. Got most of the front cut. We'll go take y'all around the yard a couple laps. We didn't put a heavy seasoning on it. Got seasoned it lightly instead of coating it real heavy with that hot peppers and stuff. Temperature's running a little bit high. Need to cut back on it a little bit. Try that. Well, not much of a vlog today. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Take one little last look at my fire here. I've already took the meat inside and sliced it up. It's on the table. We're fixing to go eat. I've already had a sample of it and it was downright tasty. Lord, that fire won't go out for another couple of hours. Since I bought this Oklahoma Joe smoker, I didn't think I'd use it all that often, but I'm enjoying using it. Thanks for tuning in today. Oh, let me show you one little thing before I go. A wren keeps building a nest in my wife's hanging baskets, and it aggravates her. I finally put some mothballs up there because she had to throw his nest out 2 or 3 times. I'm going to show you where the wren is. I got these pots, flower pots piled up over here. And look at that African violet pot. She's building her nest in there, so I'm going to leave her alone in there. She ain't hurting nothing. Let's go chow down.